you're in need of a root canal, you probably have a lot of questions, such as, does a root canal hurt? Are there any negative side effects? Or even, will my insurance pay for a root canal? Well, we have the answers. Our team of professionals has spent years working with people just like you to make sure that you get the care you need with the least amount of pain and discomfort. Whether you have anxiety about dental work, allergies to certain medicines, or even if you have other complications, we can help. Call us today for a free consultation.